An RDL, or Romanian deadlift, is an essential strength training exercise, fundamental exercise to include in a strength training routine. So if you want to benefit from a Romanian deadlift, but you only have long loop resistance band, here is how you can replicate a barbell or dumbbell RDL with your band. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your RDL with a resistance band, and then tips and tricks to increase or decrease the resistance based on how that feels. So grabbing your resistance band by folding it in half, then you're going to stand on the bottom of that U. Standing with your feet hip width, using the ends of your band as those handles, you're gonna stand straight up. Now, if you're standing like this, it's gonna be painful. I want you to tuck your pelvis under, roll your shoulders back, glue your biceps to your ribs, and engage your core. Push your hips back while keeping that straight spine, keeping the pull on the band, not letting it pull you down. And once you can't push your hips back anymore, you're going to reverse that movement to stand up. The biggest mistake I see is someone bringing their chest too low to the ground, and all that does is cause pain on your low back. So just move to the point where you can't push your hips back anymore. If you are here at the bottom of the movement and there is slack on your resistance band, then you need to increase the resistance. If this is too heavy, choose a lighter resistance band and you can complete it in the exact same way. However, say you don't want to do that, or you don't have a lower band. You can switch from standing on both lengths of the band to just one. If you would like to make it heavier, you can also wrapping the band around your hand a couple times, which will shorten the band and create more pull. And if you have a set like the one I have linked in the description below, you can always layer your bands, which will jump up the resistance. And the last arrangement, folding it in half to create a shorter loop. This way you can stand on that loop. This is a great way to eliminate the slack, and you are doing that same motion. Hope that helps. If you want more videos like this, please like this video, comment below any exercises you want to be able to do with your resistance band. I'll see you next time on the mat.